Okay, so what's happening so far is I'm just getting some real thick roots. I don't know if you can see those on the... I was going to try to zoom, but just totally not. This camera is not acting right. But anyway, we'll keep digging and see what we see. One of these days I'm going to figure out how to situate this camera. Anyway, looks like they went very deep. You see that? Okay, I'm going to have to switch the camera off. I got a few little things here. But like I said, I planted these in July, so they need a good 90 days.